If you stumbled upon the banks of the Rio Tinto in Spain, you might think you've stepped onto a planet made of industrial runoff. The water doesn't sparkle like a normal stream. It shimmers with a heavy, dull glow, like a river of flowing mercury or molten chrome. It's thick, it's vibrant, and it looks like it belongs in a sci-fi movie. But this isn't a chemical spill from a factory, at least not entirely. It's a 5,000-year-old geochemical masterpiece.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Kale, and welcome to SciCurios, where curiosity meets science.
The secret to this liquid metal look is the solute load. The water here is incredibly acidic, with a pH as low as 2, which is roughly the same as stomach acid. This extreme acidity allows the water to dissolve and hold a massive amount of heavy metals, specifically iron and copper, from the surrounding sulfide ore. So, why does it look like metal? It's a combination of density and reflection. Because the water is so heavily salted with dissolved iron, it is much denser than regular river water. This changes its refractive index. When sunlight hits the surface, instead of passing through the water and reflecting off the bottom, a huge portion of the light bounces off the top layer. This is called specular reflection, and when the water is thick with minerals, it mimics the high reflectivity of polished metal. Then, there are the workers behind the scenes, extremophiles. These are tiny bacteria that actually eat the iron and sulfur in the water. As they oxidize the minerals, they turn the river into a shifting palette of deep crimson, burnt orange. And when the light hits those iron-rich surface films just right, a brilliant metallic silver. In fact, the environment here is so bizarre and metallic that NASA has used this river as a testing ground. They study it to understand how life might survive in the iron-rich soil and acidic conditions of Mars. So, it's not just a river that looks like metal. It's a window into the chemistry of other worlds. It's a place where biology and geology have shook hands to create something that looks completely alien. If you stood on the shore of a silver river, would you be more tempted to bottle it up for a lab test, or just stand back and watch the mercury flow? Let me know in the comments.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.